Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating details about the newly unveiled Meta X Ray-Ban Coperni limited edition smart glasses. These glasses are not just a piece of technology, they're a statement of style and innovation, blending advanced features with high-fashion aesthetics. With only 3,600 units available worldwide, they're already stirring excitement among tech and fashion enthusiasts alike. Let's explore everything that makes these glasses a standout product in the world of smart wearables. The Meta X Ray-Ban Coperni smart glasses were officially revealed during Paris Fashion Week, as part of Coperni's Fall/Winter 2025 collection. This prestigious event was the perfect stage for showcasing these glasses, which seamlessly combine high-tech functionality with cutting-edge design. The glasses feature a translucent black-gray Wayfarer frame with gray mirrored lenses, giving them a sleek and modern look. To top it off, the Coperni logo is elegantly engraved on the arms, adding a signature touch of exclusivity. What truly sets these smart glasses apart is their blend of fashion and functionality. They are equipped with a powerful 12-megapixel camera capable of capturing high-resolution photos and recording videos at 1440 by 1920 resolution at 30 frames per second. Whether you're documenting your travels, special events, or just daily moments, the quality of these recordings ensures a premium experience. On top of that, the glasses incorporate advanced AI-powered features, including real-time translation, object detection, and QR code scanning. These capabilities make them an incredibly versatile and futuristic tool for both everyday use and professional applications. For music lovers, the Meta X Ray-Ban Coperni smart glasses bring added convenience. They support voice control and are compatible with popular platforms like Spotify and Amazon Music. This hands-free functionality, paired with built-in speakers that deliver immersive audio, takes your entertainment experience to the next level. The glasses also feature 32 gigabytes of internal storage, allowing you to save over 500 photos and 100 short video clips. Whether you're snapping pictures or capturing memories on the go, there's plenty of space to hold your favorite moments. Exclusivity and practicality come together with these glasses, but they also come at a premium price. Priced at $549, the Meta X Ray-Ban Coperni smart glasses are more expensive than standard Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. However, for those who value both style and cutting-edge technology, this price point reflects their unique position in the market. With a limited run of just 3,600 units globally, owning a pair of these glasses is not just about functionality, it's about becoming part of an exclusive community. Battery life is another crucial factor to consider, and the glasses deliver up to 4 hours of usage on a single charge. While this may not last an entire day, it's sufficient for most activities, whether you're exploring the city, attending events, or using them casually throughout your day. This balance between performance and portability makes them practical for a wide range of users. To summarize, the Meta X Ray-Ban Coperni limited edition smart glasses represent a perfect fusion of fashion and technology. With their sleek design, powerful AI features, immersive audio capabilities, and limited availability, they are truly a one-of-a-kind product. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a fashion-forward individual, or both, these glasses promise an unparalleled experience. What do you think about the Meta X Ray-Ban Coperni smart glasses? Are these the kind of wearable tech you'd invest in? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in tech and fashion. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.